Good Wednesday morning, Southwest Arkansas. Welcome back to Southwest Arkansas Weather, and let's go ahead and take a look at today's weather and the rest of this week's weather. Currently, looking at radar, we do have some rain chance, some rain showers moving into the area here and across Southwest Arkansas here, right around the Odin down to the DeQueen area. They're light, and these showers, when you put this in motion, are or have kind of fell apart over the last little bit here. As you can kind of see here, they've kind of decreased there as well. But we are going to watch these storms coming out of Oklahoma and see if they can hold together as they get closer to us. Now, once again, we are still a little bit of ways from these reaching us, but we'll watch them closely and see if they can't make it to portions of the area. That has led us to introduce a 40% chance of rain for today's forecast. And taking a look at current temperatures across the area, you see temperatures in the 60s and a few lower 70s already across far southern portions of Arkansas. We're going to warm up nicely today, a little on the warm side into the 80s. Taking a look at satellite as well, you can see mostly cloudy skies, a few peaks of sun here and there, really probably across the Texarkana down there to Magnolia area as of 8:46 this morning. But we'll continue to monitor that and see. Going to go with partly cloudy to mostly sunny skies throughout the day today. We're going to watch it closely, but just in case some areas don't see rain, they're going to see some more sunny skies potentially down there in that area. And they'll warm up nicely throughout the day. As you can see, highs are going to be in the upper 80s. I do want to say where those rain chances move over, they may have a chance to influence what we see for high temperatures. So keep that in mind. If you get under a rain shower or something to that nature a little longer, you may keep depending on the timing of the rain, that's the biggest thing. It may help keep you a little cooler. So there's that possibility. A few areas may not get out of the 70s, depending on how much rain falls, and such in some areas and the timing of it. But we got everybody sitting in the 80s currently. Once again, though, if you get a shower for a long period of time, that may throw a kink into that, and you may have the chance of seeing some lower 80s, upper 70s potentially. But I really think lower 80s look likely across the area, lower to mid 80s, even into the upper 80s across far southern Arkansas there, as you can see in Texarkana. 88 degrees, 86 and 87 in El Dorado and Magnolia. Camden 87, then most of the area is right there around 86 across the area, except in Mena, where they're going to be around 83 up there in that area as well. Then as we head into the overnight hours tonight, temperatures really going to stay on the warmer side for overnight lows, with temperatures in the 60s here across the area. Right now, overnight lows around Mena are going to be around 62 degrees, and 63 to 64 degrees looks like the good average across the area. Then as you go a little further south, 65 up to 67, 65 down there in Magnolia area, potentially there as well, and El Dorado potentially around 66 for your area there as well. So taking a look at the area-wide 6-day forecast, south wind today around 5 miles per hour, partly cloudy skies with a chance of some rain showers, maybe a thunderstorm, with highs right there around 86 degrees. Overnight low is going to be around 64 with a 40% chance of rain. We do also, I think we do anyways, have a marginal risk for the chance, and I'll pull this up here and just briefly here and show you. But we do have a marginal risk for the chance of maybe a strong storm or two, really from the Mena area down towards Nashville, down towards Stamps, and that does include Texarkana, Ashdown, and DeQueen areas. It's not once again, the marginal risk is a 1 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. It's on the very low end. I don't think we're going to see anything like we saw this past weekend. Maybe a strong storm, maybe a significant weather advisory or two across that area, as we may get some stronger storms that may move out of Oklahoma later. But really, the higher risk is back off over here in the north to Texas and Oklahoma, in western Texas and Oklahoma today for the chance of severe weather over there. But we'll have to watch for any storms that may have potential to be strong in that area, but not expecting a whole lot. Then if you take a look actually at the hydraulic outlook, or the excessive rainfall outlook for tomorrow, we do have that slight risk for the chance of some heavy rainfall for tomorrow. So that's another thing that we're going to watch closely as we head into tomorrow. We got an 80% chance of some thunderstorms with the southeast wind of 5 to 10 miles per hour. Highs are going to be a little on the cooler side, right there around 76 degrees with those rain chances, and overnight lows right there around 63 degrees with a chance of rain and thunderstorms. Then we have another chance on Friday, really an active and wet pattern to start this May, and potentially a warmer pattern as we go into next week. But we'll get to that here in just a few minutes here. But Friday, highs are going to be right there around 79 degrees with overnight lows right there around 63 with a 60% chance of some thunderstorms and rain showers as we progress throughout the day. On Saturday, highs are going to be right there around 81 degrees with a 40% chance of some partly cloudy skies and thunderstorms and showers. Partly cloudy, partly sunny skies there. Then as we head into Sunday, highs going to be right there around 79 with another 40% chance of some thunderstorms and mostly cloudy skies. Overnight lows right there around 64, and some small rain chances could continue into Monday with a 30% chance of some partly cloudy skies and the chance of some thunderstorms there, partly cloudy to partly sunny there, with highs right there around 84 degrees and overnight lows right there around 66 degrees. Once again, we're going to monitor this closely. You're going to see different rounds of storms and such, so there may be some off and on rain showers, or may have some breaks in between the rain chances, and we'll monitor that closely. But expect a wet forecast for the next little bit here, and next week we could get our first pre-taste of summer, I guess you could say, with some warmer temperatures on the way. We'll talk about that though as we get closer to that week, or really get closer and more in depth to next week as we get closer to that time frame. Once again, not expecting a whole lot on the severe weather side of things. We'll watch it closely just in case. If we can recover in between rounds of storms, we may have to watch for something, but I don't think right now we don't have a risk other than that small marginal risk for maybe a strong storm or two throughout the day. Not expecting anything at this time like we experienced this past weekend, and we'll continue to keep you updated on that. Be on the lookout today for some more 6-day forecast posts over on the Facebook page, and just some more posts over on Facebook in general. But we will continue doing these morning outlooks over here on YouTube. So expect another one of these to come out tomorrow morning on your Thursday morning. Have a good rest of your Wednesday. Watch out for those rain chances. We'll have radar updates over on the Facebook page, and if needed, we can set up another live nonstop radar coverage over here on YouTube. But that will be saved for any chances of severe weather, really. So we'll continue to keep you updated, but not expecting a whole lot today other than some rain showers, some partly cloudy skies, highs nicely in the 80s here with overnight lows in the 60s, maybe some fog early this morning, and then we're going to transition more towards that partly sunny, partly cloudy day with those small rain chances throughout the day. So we'll keep you updated on all of that. Have a good rest of your Wednesday here, and thank you as always for trusting us with your source for all things Southwest Arkansas weather. Big thanks to Palmer's Roofing, Terry's Place, J&S Auto Supply, and Fort Smith Therapy for all they do to help us get this information to you guys. Have a good rest of your Wednesday, and as always, thank you guys very much for trusting us right here with your source for all things Southwest Arkansas weather.